In this video, I'm going to show you how to put the logo for the GA sponsor here, and it will also show up in the sidebar on any page that has a sidebar over here under General Assembly sponsor, and then the after hours sponsor is done the same way. So first of all, we're going to talk about the home page, and the place that you're going to find the settings for the size of the logo that we need is going to be under Dashboard to Setup. Go to Setup and then click on General Options and Settings. And then you're going to see that the premium banner size for the sidebar is going to be 480 by 60, and then the area right here is going to be 480 by 200 pixels. Okay, now I'm going to show you based on one of the ones I've already done before, which is Watts Dental. I'm going to assume that you already have your banner sizes the way that you need them, either with a transparent or a white background. Okay, and then you're going to go to Members. I'm just going to click on Watts Dental because this is one I've done before. You're going to scroll over to the Marketing tab, and then you would click Add Banners, and it would take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to choose Non-ChamberMaster Page. You have all these to choose from. Non-ChamberMaster Page. And then you're going to make sure that you put context 101. This is going to be for right here for the GA sponsor, value 101. That's just what this one is numbered, number 101. Then you're going to choose the start date and end date that banner is going to show. You're going to click Add Image, which right now it says Change Image, but it would say Add Image, and you would upload the image there. And then it should automatically, because you're on this members page, it should automatically have the URL to their website. And let's see. And this tells you that it's on the Chamber homepage. And then you would click Save, and then you would come over here and refresh your page like this, and you would see that the banner was showing. To add it to the sidebar, which is going to be over here, again, you would go to the members page. You would click on their name from this drop down over here. You would go over to the Marketing tab, click Add Banner, and then once you were adding the banner, you would come to a page like this. You would also select the context Non-ChamberMaster Page, and then you would use the identifier 102 or 103. 102 is going to be the first one, and 103 is going to be the next one. It doesn't matter which order they're in. They both get the same amount of visibility, so it doesn't really matter. So 102 or 103, don't forget to put the start and expiration date, upload your image, make sure the link is correct, and click Save. And then when you're done, it'll show up in one of those two spots. Now, so for the home page, you're going to have a rotating banner right here. It's going to, this area right here under this month's sponsor, it'll rotate every few seconds. So on both instances of this particular one, you're going to choose the same number. So it's going to be number 101 both times. That way it can rotate right here. Other than sizing it correctly and making sure you've got your background and all that correct, that is pretty much all you need to know about getting the sponsor logos right here. Make sure that whoever is doing this understands that it needs to be the right size. If the customer gave us a logo that's too small, we need to ask them for a bigger one, because we can always shrink it, but we can't make it bigger. Let's see. And that is pretty much everything. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.